Temporary buydowns are a game changer for home buyers in today's market. Imagine lowering your mortgage payments for the first 2 years, giving you room to settle into your dream home and save for the future. Here's how it works. With a 2-to-1 buydown, your interest rate is reduced by 2% in year 1 and 1% in year 2 before returning to the original rate in year 3. Let's say you're buying a $350,000 home with a conventional loan, putting 10% down at a 6.875% rate. Instead of paying $3,179 a month from the start, you'd pay just $2,777 in year 1 and $2,973 in year 2. That's a total savings of over $7,000. And the best part? If the seller offers a concession to cover the cost of the buydown, you reap the benefits without paying a dime extra out of pocket. A temporary buydown isn't just a smart way to save. It's your ticket to a more affordable start in your new home. Message me to discuss if a temporary buydown is right for you.